Hey there, smart gardeners. If you've ever stared at lifeless, compacted soil and wondered how to breathe vitality back into it, you're not alone. The secret lies in nature's own recycling crew, nitrogen-fixing plants. These unsung heroes work tirelessly underground, partnering with bacteria to convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form plants crave, all while building rich, crumbly humus. Let's dive into 7 powerhouse plants that'll turn your tired soil into a thriving ecosystem, no synthetic fertilizers needed. Crimson clover, the quick start cover crop. Crimson clover is a gardener's best friend for fast soil revival. This vibrant annual legume grows quickly, blanketing bare soil in a carpet of red blooms while its roots pump nitrogen into the earth. Sow it in fall or early spring and let it work its magic for 6 to 8 weeks before chopping it down as green manure. Its dense roots also prevent erosion and suppress weeds. For best results, pair it with heavy feeders like tomatoes or corn. It's like giving your veggies a nutrient IV drip. Pro tip: let some plants flower to attract pollinators, then till the rest into the soil to boost organic matter. Alfalfa, the deep-diving nutrient miner. Alfalfa isn't just for livestock. With roots plunging 15 to 30 feet deep, this perennial legume mines minerals like phosphorus and potassium from subsoil layers, bringing them up to the surface where other plants can use them. Plant alfalfa in well-drained soil, and let it grow for a full season or longer as a living soil conditioner. When you eventually cut it back, its decomposing leaves release nitrogen while its deep roots leave behind air pockets that improve soil structure. Bonus: drought-tolerant and hardy, alfalfa thrives where other cover crops might struggle. Fava beans, the cold weather workhorse. Fava beans are the ultimate multitaskers. These cold-hardy legumes fix nitrogen and produce edible beans, making them ideal for winter gardens. Plant them in late fall, and they'll protect your soil through frosty months while prepping it for spring crops. Their thick stalks add bulk to compost piles, and their flowers attract early-season bees. For a no-till approach, cut the plants at the base in spring and lay the stalks as mulch. They'll slowly release nitrogen as they decompose. White Dutch clover, the living mulch. Why mulch with straw when you can grow a living carpet? White Dutch clover is a low-growing perennial that thrives in poor soil, even in partial shade. Plant it between garden rows or under fruit trees to suppress weeds, retain moisture, and steadily release nitrogen. Unlike wood mulch, it never needs replenishing and even self-seeds. Plus, its tiny white flowers are a pollinator magnet. Just mow or trim occasionally to keep it tidy and stimulate fresh growth. Lupines, the acid soil specialist. If your soil is acidic and sandy, lupines are your go-to fixers. These striking perennials boast towering flower spikes and taproots that break up compacted earth. They thrive in pH levels as low as 5.5, making them perfect for revitalizing neglected soils or forest gardens. Lupines also excel at mobilizing phosphorus, a nutrient often locked up in acidic conditions. Let them grow for 2 to 3 years, then chop and drop the foliage to create a nutrient-rich mulch. Hairy vetch, the nitrogen powerhouse. Hairy vetch is the heavyweight champion of nitrogen fixation, adding up to 200 pounds of nitrogen per acre. This cold-tolerant legume is ideal for overwintering. Plant it in late summer and by spring it'll form a dense mat that smothers weeds. When chopped in spring, it decomposes rapidly, releasing a surge of nitrogen just in time for summer crops. Pair it with tomatoes or peppers for a symbiotic match. Studies show vetch mulch can boost tomato yields by 30%. Sea buckthorn, the edible soil builder. For a nitrogen-fixing shrub that pulls double duty, try sea buckthorn. This rugged perennial thrives in poor, sandy soils and fixes nitrogen through root nodules. Its bright orange berries are packed with vitamins, while its deep roots stabilize erosion-prone areas. Plant it as a windbreak or hedgerow, and prune the nutrient-dense leaves annually to toss into compost or brew into fertilizing tea. Over time, its leaf litter creates a fungal-rich humus perfect for fruit trees or berries. How to maximize your nitrogen fixers. To supercharge these plants' soil-healing powers, always inoculate their seeds with rhizobia bacteria, specific to each legume. This ensures they form the root nodules needed for nitrogen fixation. Rotate nitrogen fixers with heavy feeders in your crop plan. For example, follow a vetch cover crop with nitrogen-hungry corn. And remember, diversity is key. Mixing deep-rooted alfalfa with shallow clovers creates a layered soil web that benefits all plants. Ready to transform your garden? Your soil isn't just dirt, it's a living universe waiting to be awakened. By weaving these nitrogen fixers into your garden's rhythm, you'll save money on fertilizers, reduce watering needs, and grow healthier plants. Start small. Pick one or two of these heroes to experiment with this season, and watch your soil come alive. If this guide sparked your inner soil nerd, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a smart garden tip. Got a friend struggling with sad soil? Share this video, it might just turn their gardening journey around. Until next time, keep digging deeper.